Brilliant Katha.
When you are rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Good evening, dear students. We are here with yet another live discussion for the chemistry board examination. Today, we are going to discuss the most important questions from the chapters coordination compounds, haloalkanes and haloarenes, and also amines. So, without wasting much time, we can directly jump into the
hope all you are ready for today's live session. We have two important organic chapters. One is haloalkanes, as you know that one among the organic chapters. One important one is haloalkane. You will get high weightage questions from this chapter, and amines, and one more inorganic we have, that is coordination compound.
Yes, I think all these three chapters are easily scoring if they are perfect with the theory.
Yeah.
So let's jump into the questions directly.
So better we can go for the question. Those who already joined, please leave a comment. Let's see who all are there. So same like yesterday, we need an active participation. All you should send the option very immediately. Read the question carefully. That is the one important thing. Okay. Yeah, I think all people are joining. Yes. Leave a comment. Okay. Once you join, and those who are waiting. So please hurry up. Join fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
All of them are joining.
Yeah,
now.
I think people are there. Okay. All are there. So let us start right now. That would be better because we can cover maximum question. We have selected around 40 question. After that, same like yesterday's, we will have a Menti quiz at the end of this MCQ discussion. Okay. And wait for that one as well. Same like yesterday, we will do all the question. Okay. Let's see who all are going to score. And for the MCQ also, we will take your score. Okay. Let's see who all will get high score. Okay. Shall we start?
Shall we start, students? Yeah,
yes, we can go, sir. Yeah, okay. So the question is, the first one question most probably will come for naming. Okay, from coordination compound. Chance is there, one question. See, comparatively a simple compound is here. IUPAC's name of PT NH3 twice Cl NO2 is. So you know that one for naming. The first you have to go for the ligand in the alphabetical order. So you know that one, which all ligands are there. Amine is there, NH3 is there, Cl is there, and NO2. Okay, you can read the question. Yes, they are sending
they are already sending the answers.
Very good. So take it in the alphabetical order, and options you have. So there is no chance to make mistake for this one. Yeah. When they are asking directly, exactly. All are sending. Yeah, very good. Well done. Almost all. Yeah. So the correct answer is diamine, chlorido, nitrito N. That you keep in mind whenever they are asking to write directly. That N you should not forget because it's an ambident.
It's an ambidentate ligand. So we have both nitrito N as well as nitrito O, which is ONO. So in this case, it is nitrito N.
N, exactly. So we will be getting this one. So the right answer for this one is C.
Yes.
Okay. So almost all you sent the right answer. Yeah. Correct. Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing to take care here is finding the right oxidation state of the central metal ion. That is also very important. For that, you need to know the charges carried by ligands. You need to know what all neutral ligands are there, anionic ligands are there, and then only you have to find the charge.
Yeah, that which all are neutral and which all are charged, that you should have idea, that you should not make mistake. Okay, and didentate ligand, that oxalate.
Yes.
Okay, and EDTA and all you have to keep in mind. Okay, that is polydentate, that oxalate, and EN.
Yes.
Okay, that you keep in mind. EN is a neutral one, but oxalate is 2 minus. Okay, so we will go to the next question. So listen, yeah, read the question carefully again. The geometry and hybridization of diamagnetic nickel complex. See here already they gave a hint that it is diamagnetic.
Yes. What does that mean? It has no unpaired electrons. All the electrons are paired, and also you can see that it is NiCN4 2 minus.
Yes, yes, sir. So they gave it is Ni2 plus. Okay, Ni2 plus, and the coordination number is 4.
Yes.
So coordination number is 4 means, sir, only 2 chances are there. One is sp3 and the another one is dsp2. Okay,
yeah.
sp3 and dsp2, these are the 2 chances. You know that one dsp2 will come only with this one a weak field ligand, and this one will with SFL will come, strong field ligand will come. Okay, so strong field ligand will pair up. That already they gave. Diamagnetic means the electrons will pair up.
Yeah. Moreover, the central ion here is Ni2 plus. So you know that in an Ni2 plus the configuration is 3d8, and it is a strong field ligand. So all the 8 electrons will be paired, leaving one of the 3d orbital empty. So it will be used for hybridization. So yeah. So here all the electron will, even from the S also will come the electron. So the So answer they are sending. Yeah. Correct one. Yes.
Is
dsp2.
Yeah.
And square planar.
Okay. So
correct.
Yeah, NiCN4 times. Correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Is there any different options are coming, sir? No, right?
No. All of them are commenting C only.
Okay. Fine.
Good.
So we go the correct one. Okay. So hybridization will be, pairing up will take place. So leaving the one orbital. So the hybridization. So 2 chances are there. Wherever sp3 comes, keep in mind it will be tetrahedral. Wherever dsp2 comes, it will be square planar. That are the 2 chances only for coordination number 4. Okay, and coordination number 6 means there is no doubt all the time it will be octahedral. Okay, we will go to the next one. Fine. Okay, so read the question, comparatively an easy one. Okay, ambidentate ligands like NO2 minus and SCN minus are. Okay, read carefully. Chance is there to make error.
Yes, so many cases from the previous exams and all, we have seen students making one common mistake between ambidentate and bidentate ligands. See, ambidentate ligands are those ligands which has 2 donor sites, but one only can be used at a time. But bidentate is multiple coordination at the same time. So here SCN is thiocyanate.
Should not get confused. Okay, ambidentate is a different one. They are monodentate basically. Ambidentate are monodentate in which either of the donor can be used for making the coordinator bond. Okay, that concept you keep in mind exactly. It's an easy one, but making chance to make error is
very high.
Yeah, more is there. So read the question carefully. Ambidentate. So its answer is unidentate. All ambidentate ligands are unidentate only. Bidentate means they have already at a time they will have 2 donor. Okay, that is bidentate. So I think it's easy, no sir? Yeah. All they gave the correct.
Clear. Yeah, everyone is commenting B.
Correct only.
Great.
Correct only. Okay, so we will go to the next one. Okay, read the question carefully. Next one. See. In the formation of K4FeCN 6 times, the hybridization involved is. So here you know that one, the ionic part, the complex part only, we need to explain the hybridization. So the complex part is FeCN 6 times, coordination here 4 minus. Okay, this is the complex part. So in the complex part, what is the hybridization they are asking? You know that one here Fe is Fe2 plus.
2 plus.
And Cn is a strong field ligand. Okay, SFL, strong field ligand.
So Fe2 plus is 3d6 configuration.
Yeah. So this will be the 3d6 configuration and strong field ligand. So the correct answer is which one? So strong field ligand means it will be D2 sp3 hybridization. If it is a weak field ligand, obviously it will be a sp3d2. I think all gave the correct answer.
All of them are commenting B only.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay. Fine. So the hybridization, that all you know that one, that type of hybridization explanation for one compound they may give and will ask you to write the hybridization, or MCQ also they can ask.
Yeah. If they ask this same thing in a descriptive question, you have to write down the electronic configuration of the central metal ion and then show how the ligands are pairing up, ligands are causing the pairing, and then you have to show the hybrid orbitals. So likewise you have to
shape if they are asking that also. So hybridization, paramagnetic, diamagnetic and shape. That type of question if they are asking, it will be for 2 mark. That you have to explain things.
Yeah.
So here it is fine. So D2sp3 is the right answer. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, I think.
And also the geometry, even if it is D2sp3 or sp3d2, it will be octahedral geometry.
Wherever coordination number 6 comes, always the shape of the molecule is octahedral. There is no doubt. Only in 4 it is different. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, so we will go to the next one, sir. See, yeah, this is a sure question. We can say that
every time
board paper
based question is
whether it is MCQ part or directly. I think for last 6 or 7 years,
continuously this question was there. This type of question was there.
Yeah, based on based on this concept, one question you can expect. Yeah, read the question carefully. When 1 mole CrCl3.6H2O, okay, is treated with excess of AgNO3, 3 moles of AgCl are obtained. From that 3 moles itself, you will get the answer. See, 3 moles are required means outside the coordination sphere, you need 3 chlorine.
Correct.
Then only AgNO3, excess AgNO3 when reacts with this 3Cl, okay, 3Cl minus, you will be getting 3
AgCl.
moles of AgCl, okay, 3 moles of AgCl will come, okay, that is what you need to keep in mind.
So that is the hint. The chloride ions are not going to act as the ligand, instead they are going to act as counter ions.
Yeah.
So 3 counter ions will be there.
That number, how many moles they are telling,
Yeah.
same number of ions, counter ions should be there outside. That only you need to check. 3 moles means 3 chlorine should be outside. If they are asking 2 moles, then you have to put 2 chlorine outside. That number of counter ions and the number of moles of AgCl formed will be same.
Yes, everybody is answering very good.
Yeah.
Option D is the right answer.
Yeah, correct. Well done. So that type of question, I think they have done many.
Yeah, they are confident now.
Yeah, very confident in that type of question. Okay, one question, like last many years, they repeatedly asked the same one. Okay, either in the MCQ part or directly they asked this type of question. Okay, well done. Even like no one gave a different answer, everyone gave the same one. Okay, well done, good. So we will go to the next one. So option is correct, option is D. Okay. So we will go to the next one. Yeah, read the question again. The formula of the complex dichloridobis ethane 1,2-diamine platinum 4 nitrate. Okay, you do yourself and give the option. And here there is a chance to make the mistake, sir. That is,
Yes.
yeah.
Here dichloridobis ethane 1,2-diamine platinum nitrate. Here nitrate is not a ligand. It is a counter ion. So you have to carefully observe. So starting with the central metal ion,
Yeah,
it is
and
PT.
moreover, this 4.
Yeah,
that
the
4
oxidation
charge,
state.
oxidation rate of the central metal atom also you should satisfy. Should not leave like this one. These people will write like PT. That all they will write like PT. Then dichlorodo means Cl2. That all they will write, and ethane diamine, which means En twice. Okay, coordination sphere. Outside NO3 also they will write.
Yes.
But that is not the right one.
The charges should be balanced.
Yeah. So if they are asking directly this one, not with option, then there is a chance to make mistake. Okay, that you keep in mind. Yeah, people are giving the option C. Any other option came, sir? No, right? Yeah, I
everybody is
think they are
answering.
very confident.
So platinum is +4 here, and chloride is 2-. So 4 - 2 will be +2. will
Yeah,
be
so
the
if
charge
you
of
want
the
to get +4 over here, this is -2.
2.
Okay, this is actually 0. Then here again -2 should come. Then only it will be +4. So which means the NO3 should be twice. Okay, that NO3 should be -2. Here also -2 because 2 chlorine is already there, which means -2. So NO3 also should be -2. Then only that -2 will be -4 become +4.
Yes. Yeah, everyone has answered
I think
C only.
they are.
I think few have made B option. So please correct that mistake.
That is what the chance of making that mistake only we said. Okay, 2 chances is there because you will be writing that NO3 inside. One chance of making error. The other thing is that the balancing of charge. Okay, oxidation number calculation should not make mistake. Okay.
Yeah. Also, what we observe is even though some students might have practiced the same question 100 times, still in exam what we saw last year and the year before is that during the exam time, there will be a little bit of stress for you. And in the exam hall, everything is different. Now you are sitting at the comfort of home and you are answering. So you are so confident. So in the exam hall also, you should have the same confidence and the alertness and the concentration. Then only you can make these kind of questions.
Yesterday also we told that one. Don't get panic with the 2 or 3 questions.
Yes.
Definitely in every paper, Mainly in MCQ, sir.
Yeah.
Last year also, 2 questions they put that type.
Yes.
So by seeing that question itself, don't get distracted. You have so many other questions. Okay, for 2 questions, once you finish remaining all the question, you can come.
Yeah,
and
they can come back and enough time will be there if
You
you
will get
manage the
enough
time
time.
properly.
Okay, so that while reading the question and all, you read it properly. Okay, be calm and you will get enough time. Okay,
Yeah.
no worry. So we will go to the next one. So
Yes.
the correct answer option is here C.
C.
Okay, yeah, correct answer is C. Okay, fine. See, we will go to the next one. See, read. Yeah, this is another one, sir. And this isomerism part, they can expect another one question.
Yeah, definitely one question will be there from isomerism. For sure, from coordination, you can expect.
Yeah, structural isomerism and the stereo isomerism part, one question definitely they will ask. Okay, these all are MCQ. We will discuss the descriptive one in the marathon live. Okay, you can wait till that. See, the coordination compound CONH3 5 times ClSO4 gives a white precipitate. That you know that when SO4 is when outside the coordination sphere, definitely BaCl2 can react with that one. BaCl2 when react with SO4 2 minus,
Yeah, it
you
will
will get
precipitate
BaSO4.
BaSO4.
No doubt, that is white BPT. Okay, that is correct only. See this one. So white precipitate with the BaCl2, correct. And same way CONH3 5 times SO4 Cl does not give. That will not give because you know that one outside the coordination sphere you have Cl.
Yeah, the counter ion is chloride, but sulfate is inside.
Yeah.
So it will not come with
If you want the
BaCl2.
precipitate, you should add excess AgNO3.
AgNO3.
AgNO3 plus Cl minus, you know that one, AgCl will come. That is also white precipitate only, but AgNO3 should be added. But the question they are asking is, the correct option is, okay, read. Read the question carefully. I think they are giving the correct answer.
Yes, yes. Few have made the mistake that we expected.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you know, at the time when you read these kind of questions, since you practiced many of these kind of questions, you will see that ligand and the counter ion is exchanging. So they will be definitely ionization isomers. Yes, that is true. So at that time, you know, even in exam hall also, your mind will be playing with you, and you will be selecting the option B. But you have to read all the options. Look at the next option with that.
Because once you get that ionization, you will immediately jump into that
Yes,
option and will
yes.
put take. So you have to read the remaining option as well. So here ionization isomerism is there, and both have same hybridization but different ions in solution. Yes. Now
Yes.
I think they are correcting.
Yeah, now they are
those
getting
who
it.
made the different option, now they are correcting. Yeah.
You can see the coordination number is 6 here, and the same central ion is present. So their hybridization should also be the same.
Yeah, same ligands, everything is there. Only the rearrangement of outside the coordination sphere comes, which means their hybridization is same. They produce different ions in solution. That is exact definition for ionization isomerism. So here the correct option is D. Okay, well done. Now
Great.
all good. Okay.
So be careful with these kind of questions. Please do read all the options before you jump into the conclusion.
Yeah. Okay. So we will go to the next question. Fine. Okay. So the next one is assertion reason type question. This type of question also while reading. Okay. Read very carefully. The most confusing part for students is another assertion reason, and the confirmed 4 questions are there. Okay. Previously and all they will put 2 or 3. Now it is confirmed 4 question. Definitely will come for assertion reason. So read carefully, you will definitely get. Linkage isomerism arises in coordination compounds containing bidentate ligand. Okay, here that chance of getting confused with the bidentate and ambidentate, they are using those type of statements.
Many are answering B.
Correct. They are giving. So linkage isomerism arises in coordination compound containing bidentate ligand. Okay, statement. That's a reason they are giving bidentate ligand as 2 donor atom. Which means the recent statement is correct.
Correct. Bidentate has always 2 donor atoms available, but linkage isomerism is not because of bidentate, it is because of ambidentate ligands like nitrito N, nitrito O, thiocyanate, isothiocyanate. So you need to be very careful with that statement. So the assertion statement is false, but the reason
statement is the correct one.
Correct
Okay, fine. So this is the way while reading the assertion reason type questions and all. Okay, while read very carefully. That is the prior thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, sir. So this is the first one. So we will go to the next one. See, another question again, assertion reason type. KCN reacts with the methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanide. Okay, so listen, methyl isocyanide they are telling. Okay, carbylamine 1. Cn minus is an ambidentate nucleophile.
Sir, from this haloalkanes haloarenes, in every year there used to be a question related to either KCN, AgCN or KNO2, AgNO2, and you should be very clear about it. Here they say KCN is reacting with methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanate. So that is not possible because you see in KCN, since it is ionic compound, both carbon and nitrogen can act as the donor. But since carbon-carbon bond is more stable, the preferred product will be a cyanide, not isocyanide.
And that also they can ask as a question, sir. Many questions
Yes,
for
yes.
that logic also they asked.
Yeah,
Why they are
justify the
cyanide
following.
and why with the AgCN you are getting isocyanide.
Yes.
That reason also you have to keep in mind. Okay, one is ionic one, other is a covalent. So in case of AgCN you are getting isocyanide because AgCN is a covalent one. Only nitrogen can make bond because of the lone pair present on nitrogen. That also you have to keep in mind. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, but the reason is CN minus is an ambident nucleophile. That's correct.
Yeah.
So the assertion is wrong, but the reason is true.
Correct. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think almost all give. Yeah, fine. So correct option is D. We will go to the next question. See again. See. Yeah. Which one of the following has the highest dipole moment?
I think most students may make a mistake in this.
We can give some time, sir.
Yeah. Let's see what is your answer.
Yes. Once you send the answer, we will start explaining.
Oh, surprisingly, yes. One of them has given correct answer.
Yeah.
Yes, very good, very good.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but still, sir, mix of
options.
options.
Still, it's a mix of so many options.
Yeah, so many options are coming. Yeah. Okay, okay. Anyway, try. It's fine. You can send the answer. It's okay. Send the options. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, everyone, please send. Okay. Even I think almost all options are there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have doubt. Yeah. So it's fine. That's why we kept this type of question.
See, this is actually directly taken from a data from the NCERT textbook itself. When you compare the dipole moments of the methyl halides or any alkyl halides for that matter, you know that dipole moment is decided by mu equal to Q into D.
Yeah, this equation always you keep in mind. Mu is equal to, you can write, okay, mu is equal to Q into D. Yeah. The quantity of electric charge, okay, or magnitude of charge and
separation.
Distance.
Yeah.
So simultaneously we are considering two factors, sir.
Yeah. One is the electronegativity.
Yeah.
And also next is the distance between the two atoms. So if you consider CH3F, we know fluorine is more electronegative in nature, so it will be having most charge separation. But you know, since the bond is too strong, the length of the bond is very short.
The D factor will be the shortest. Okay, the value will be the least value in case of fluorine.
Yes.
So when you take the magnitude, multiplying this one, that value will be less. And sir, that value they gave in the table.
Textbook, yes.
Yeah. So that it is there in the chapter, haloalkane chapter. The table is given about the dipole moment value of CH3Cl, CH3F, CH3Br and all. So some area like some corner, this type of question they can pick and they will give. One or two question you should expect same like this one.
Yeah. So here chloride will be having the highest value of dipole moment than fluoride.
Yeah, because here the length, when you consider the D factor will be for chlorine. But at the same time, you might have a confusion that, sir, if you are taking, then I will have the largest value of D. Yeah. But at the same time, Q will be the least.
Will be less.
Okay, charge factor Q will be the least for that one. That's why. So the correct order for this one is like this one, no sir. CH3Cl greater than, then CH3F will come. Then after that the CH3Br will come. Then after that the CH3I will come. Okay, that order you keep in mind.
So please take care of this question. This is a very, very important question.
Yeah. Same like that electron gain enthalpy you can remember. Yeah. Okay. Same like the order. Okay, that you keep in mind. I think yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Now they understood. Okay, so that you keep in mind. That type of one question they can pick from some corner and with the table data and all that you have to go for. Okay, fine. Okay, hope you understood the thing. So we will go for the next question. See, next one. Yeah, butane nitrile can be prepared by heating. Okay, read the question carefully because cyanide when comes, okay, that carbon, that functional group itself has a carbon.
Yeah.
So while writing the IUPAC name, should not make mistake or should not get confused. Okay, that CN is there. They are asking butane nitrile. Butane nitrile means what? CH3, CH2, CH2. After that, what will come? CN will come because that carbon CN functional group itself has a carbon. Okay, so that is called butane nitrile.
See, we normally say that in organic conversion questions, half of the solution is there if you write down the structures of what you want to synthesize and what you have with you. Then, you know, if you look into those and then you will start remembering, okay, there was a reaction which I studied where this reagent converts this to this. For that, you need to write the
starting
structures.
Compound you write and the final, I mean, what you want to get, that also you write. Then you will get an idea.
Yes.
Okay, slowly you figure it out. Otherwise, all of a sudden, nothing will come. This type of conversion things and all. Yeah. Okay, so here they are asking butane nitrile can be prepared. So here,
So here it is everything KCN.
Yeah.
So the nucleophile is CN minus.
CN minus.
So we need to do a nucleophilic substitution.
Yeah, so the correct answer is which one? I think almost all they gave the
Propyl
correct answer.
chloride,
Yeah,
yeah.
people are
Everybody is
sending.
saying A.
Yeah, only one gave a different answer. It's fine. Okay, yeah. Option B, someone sent, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. See, the correct answer is which one? It is propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl when reacts with the KCl. You know that one? So the Cl minus can easily substitute to Cl minus.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
chloride is a better leaving group.
Yeah.
Well,
And don't get confused with the alcohol.
Yeah, so option C, sometimes some students may get confused that they can use propyl alcohol and do the substitution. But remember, OH is not a good leaving group compared to Cl minus.
Yeah, so Cn minus cannot substitute
Replace.
OH minus directly. Okay, so better is the Cl minus. Cl minus is a better leaving group. So the correct answer is option A.
And also, sir, some students have selected B, and the main mistake that they might have done is what you
that
just
is what
explained.
we told you. Like butyl chloride mean already that
Four
is 4
carbons are
carbon. 4 carbon containing alkyl halide when substituted with the Cn minus, then you will get total 5.
5 carbons. So it will become pentane
That
nitride.
is the yes. These are the mistake. Like the question when seems to be like a, okay average, but chances they have to make
Yes.
error. That type of question they will put.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, fine,
So-
perfect. So we will go to the next question, sir. Okay, fine. See, another important question. See, inversion of configuration occurs in. Okay, yeah, these type SN1 and SN2 based question. Either
Sure,
they,
it's a sure question. Either in assertion reason or justify the following or in a 2-mark section. You can get this question for
sometimes
sure.
they may give the compound and
Yeah.
will ask you which among the following will undergo SN1
SN1
faster,
and
SN2 faster. So all data related to SN1, SN2, that differences you should learn. Okay, what is the order? Carbocation stability for SN1, steric effect for the SN2, and everything related to SN1 and SN2 you should learn. It's a confirmed part. Don't get confused. Okay.
Yes. So
Yes.
all are answering. Some of them are answering D now.
Yeah. People are again still they have some confusion. I think with SN the inversion of configuration. Okay, only inversion of configuration occurs. That is what the question meant.
Yes.
Okay, only inversion of configuration. You know that one. SN1 means both retention and inversion of
inversion.
configurations are there.
Yes, and that is in equal probability. That's why we
Yeah.
are getting a racemic mixture in that case.
That is why in SN1 we used to say that racemic mixture. Okay, both D and L form together can come.
Yes. So here they asked inversion of configuration occurs in. That means after a substitution, inversion of configuration is the outcome of which reaction? So
The product formed will have a opposite configuration than that of the participating reactant. That is actually called inversion of configuration. Okay, yeah. Yes. Now, what is your answer? Like, see, if you are sending correct one, but still there is some mistake. Okay, D SN1 as well as SN2. That you should not tell like that one. Here, the question what they meant is only inversion of configuration happens. Yeah, that is
Yes.
what the question meant. Yeah, we know that one. Like in SN1 also, both inversion and
retention are taking place.
But the question what they meant is only inversion happens. That is what.
Sometimes, this overthinking can also lead to this kind of errors.
Exactly. So that you have to, while reading the question, inversion of configuration happens in the sense they are asking only inversion of configuration happens in. So the right answer is which one?
SN2 reaction.
Yeah. That the right answer is the SN2 reaction. Okay, SN2 reaction. Don't get confused again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's fine now. Yeah. So SN2 reaction. Okay. That type of question, if they are asking me, they are asking only that happens in which type of reaction. Okay. We will go to the next one, sir. Okay. Yeah, fine. Now, okay. Yes, okay. So we will go to the next one. So you read the question. Which of the following molecule has a chiral center correctly labeled with the asterisk mark?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys remember what is chirality? We're having an asymmetric carbon or a carbon which has 4 valencies satisfied by 4 different groups. So if you just look into these options, the star marked carbon, asterisk marked carbon, which one has 4 different valencies?
Yes, so that I think you can easily figure it out
Yeah,
which one
everyone
is the
is
compound. Yeah, now all are sending the
answering.
right one. Okay. So all the groups or atoms attached on the carbon atom should be different.
Yes.
Okay, that are called asymmetric carbon or chiral carbon. that molecules, chiral carbon containing molecules are optically active. You know that one asymmetric molecule we call it as, and
Yes.
asymmetric carbon atom is there. Yeah, now I think there is no confusion in this one.
everybody
The
is
correct
answering
answer is B only. Yeah, almost all said the right
some
one.
of them have answered A. A, you can
Yeah.
see that there is a CH3 group and another CH3 group here attached to the carbon. So they are two similar groups. So that can never be
CH3s are
asymmetric.
same. Yeah, that are not. One of the symmetry will come if two groups are same or two atoms are same. Yeah.
So now it is
So
clear.
correct answer is B. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
option
fine.
B.
Okay, so we'll go to the next one. The question is, see, enantiomers differ only in. And see, based on enantiomer or racemic mixture, they asked so many questions.
Yes,
Sir.
even last time there was 4 statements asked which of the following were correct about enantiomers.
Enantiomers, yeah.
And this was one question. In
Yes,
that.
enantiomers are optically active as well. Both the D and L are there. Does not mean that they are in equimolar.
Yes.
When we take the enantiomers in equimolar mixture, then it is called as a racemic mixture. Racemic mixture means the deviation will be equally cancel out.
Yes.
Okay, then they are optically active. So which one is optically inactive? Optically inactive is racemic mixture, but enantiomers are optically active.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, non-superimposable mirror images having the same boiling point, melting point, solubility, but they differ only in the ability of their rotation of the plane polarized light, either towards left, one, and either towards right, another one.
Rotation of plane polarized light, that like one will deviate to left and one will deviate to right.
Yes.
Okay, now I think almost all gave the
all
right
of them
answer.
have answered.
Yeah, so fine. See, the area where you are lagging in conceptual wise and all, that you make it perfect. Okay, in some areas like this one, the what all question we previously discussed, because those whole area you can expect question definitely. Okay, don't get confused with all those.
Even from the last 2 days discussion and including today's, you might have come across certain areas where you found that you are weak. So try to recollect and recall all those concepts once again. Whenever you are free, after you finish studying, before you go to sleep, try to recall or recollect all those concepts and try to get it corrected again.
In which area you are lagging today itself, you can clear it out. Okay, then you can make it perfect, that part, then it will be okay, fine. Okay, that is actually one of the aim of this discussions, and all the area which you are not noticing and the where you have doubt and all, you can solve it. Okay, right now. Okay, fine, we will move to the next one, sir. So here, which of the following is an example of vicinal dihalide? Okay, vicinal and geminal. You know that one.
This is another important question which is repeated. If you look into the past 5 years, you can see the frequency of geminal and vicinal halides identification is a very important question. As the term itself indicates, vicinal means they should be on the neighboring carbons in the vicinity of each other, and geminal means Gemini means twins, so they should be on the same carbon atom. So which one of them is a vicinal? I
vicinal.
think all of them are.
I think they are giving everyone have the idea. Vicinal dihalide means the halogens are attached on the adjacent carbon atom. Now you have idea. So, but that is an important part. Question they asked repeatedly. So vicinal dihalide, which means 1 and 2. So correct answer is the B. 1, 2 dichloroethane. Correct. Well done.
Sometimes there is a catch here. Like this way they can tell the name. If this is ethylidene chloride, it means it is on the same carbon. It's geminal. This is called ethylene dichloride.
That also,
you need to remember.
Ethylidene means gem will come, and ethylene dichloride means correct only 1, 2 will come. Okay. So fine. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. So when we can go to the next one. See again, the synthesis of alkyl fluoride is best accomplished by. So alkyl fluoride, you know that one. Fluoride formation is there as well as iodide formation is there. Okay, chlorides and bromide, Cl and Br converted to iodide one reaction we have, and chloride and bromide converted to fluoride one reaction we have. So what is the name of the reaction? This one they are asking, fluoride.
Fluoride is Schwarz reaction and iodide is Finkelstein reaction.
That is also, name reactions are very important from those chapter. Now I think they are very confident. They are sending almost all sending. Finkelstein and Schwarz, they are repeatedly asking. So yes.
All of them are answering correctly.
Okay, fine. So correct answer is which one? Fluorides. So fluoride means it's Schwarz reaction, no doubt. Okay, fine. It's an easy one. Okay, we will go to the next one. Next is fine. See, again an assertion recent type of question. Read the question carefully. See, vinyl chloride undergo nucleophilic substitution very easily. Okay, don't get confused. Read the question carefully. This is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride undergo nuclear. You should have an idea which one is vinyl, which one is allyl, which one is benzylic.
Yeah.
Okay,
even aryl also they.
Aryl. They MCQ also they asked, sir, which among the following is an allylic? Okay. Find the allylic one and all. That's so vinyl chloride undergo nucleophilic substitution very easily. In vinyl chloride, the carbon chlorine bond has a partial double bond character due to resonance with the adjacent pi bond. Okay,
So if you
you can send the option. Let's see who all are giving the right answer. After that, we will explain.
Yeah, they're asking what is vinyl. So
Okay.
we can show the structure.
See, we will tell you. See, vinyl means that one CH2 double bond CH single bond Cl. If the halogen is directly attached to an
sp2.
double bonded carbon, sp2 hybridized carbon. Allylic means that one the CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 Cl. This one is called the allylic carbon. Okay, this is called the vinylic. And which one is the benzylic? Benzylic means that one C6H5CH2Cl. Cl or any other halogen is fine.
Yeah.
This one is benzylic. So you should have an idea which one is vinylic, okay, which one is allylic, and which one is benzylic.
And if the halogen is attached to a benzene ring, that is arylic.
Yeah, aryl. So that also we can write. Aryl means C6H5Cl directly. Okay, that is called the aryl one. So don't get confused all this one. Yeah, now people are sending.
Yeah.
And so see, vinyl, always you keep in mind, vinyl halides, okay, do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction because this bond will have a partial double bond character. Correct only because you know that one, this halogen has 3 lone pair. This will enter over here as a double bond. Then this will be gained by this one. Okay, that is called the resonance.
So the same reason like what you studied for aryl halides, why they don't undergo nucleophilic substitution, the partial double bond character is there here also.
That is why haloarenes and vinyl halide, they do not participate in nucleophilic substitution. Both have partial double bond character. The carbon halogen bond is partially double.
Yes.
But one is the resonance with the benzene ring and here is the other conjugate resonance.
Vinylic carbon.
Yeah. Okay. So here the first one is wrong.
Is wrong.
Yeah. Vinyl chloride undergo nucleophilic substitution easily, they are telling that is wrong. Vinyl halides do not undergo. Okay, and as well as aryl halide also. I think, yeah, now they are okay. I think, okay, okay, fine. So now you have a clear idea about which one is vinylic and which one is allylic and which one is benzylic and which one is aryl. Already you have idea, but those who have confusion, make it clear now itself. Based on this one question they can ask. Hope you got, okay. So statement one is wrong, which means assertion statement is the wrong one.
And the reason is correct.
Reason is the correct one. Yes. Yeah. Okay, fine.
It's clear.
Okay, now it is clear. So we will go to this one. Okay, A is false, but R is true. See the next one. See which one is most reactive towards SN1 reaction? Yeah, again.
This is, I think, another frequently asked in-text question.
Yeah.
This has been asked many times in board exam and also in many competitive exams.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much easy to answer also. Let's see.
You can easily
who
score mark. Yes, exactly. Okay. So read the question very carefully. Okay. So they are asking which one will undergo SN1 reaction faster. Which one will undergo SN1 reaction faster? The compounds are given C6H5CH2Br, C6H5CH. See, SN1 means the reaction proceeds based on the stability of the carbocation. That you keep in mind.
Yes.
Yeah, based on the stability of the carbocation. Read the question carefully and the logic, what concept behind the question, you just recollect and do the question. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So,
tertiary.
yeah, benzylic is the most. After that allylic, after that tertiary.
Yeah.
Okay, if benzylic is there like with the primary, secondary and tertiary, benzylic tertiary is the most. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
they are all
people are
answering
sending now,
option
I
D.
think, yeah, most of them are giving correct answer. Okay, fine. Okay, so.
Okay, great.
Okay.
It's good to see that everybody is engaging and answering. We have almost 105 viewers today.
Yeah, okay,
so all
okay.
of them are
Well done.
actively
Almost,
participating in
all
the
are
discussion.
sending answer and all are participating. Thank you. Okay, good. 105 people are there. Okay, well done. See, the correct answer for this one is D, because you know that one, this is the benzylic tertiary one.
Yes.
Okay, benzylic means you know that one, C6H5CH2 plus is the benzylic carbocation, and these two hydrogen again it is replaced
One is
with
replaced with CH3 and one is
yes.
with C6H5.
Okay, so C6H5, C with the CH3 is there, and again C6H5 is there, which means the benzylic tertiary one, that is the most stable carbocation. So yes, almost all. Yeah, you gave the right answer. Well done. Okay.
Great.
Then we will go to the next question. See, the best reagent for converting. Read the question carefully here also, sir. The 2-phenyl propanamide into 2-phenyl propanamine. Okay.
Yes.
So
This-
read the question carefully and you send the answer. After that, we will explain. Okay. Here also.
This is also one question, you know, where your mind can play games with you during the exam.
Yes. That's what.
we can see that the mind is playing
see,
with you.
different
now
options
also.
are coming. Yeah, that's what. Okay. Anyway, you sent your answer options. Okay, let's see. It's okay, fine. This is what. That is why we picked that type of question and all. No worry. Okay, you send the option. No problem. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah, mixer answers are
Mixer
coming.
answers
Yes,
are
what we
coming.
expected is same.
Yeah, it's the same thing what is coming.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So, guys, here you read the question. It is 2-phenyl propanamide into 2-phenyl propanamine. So, if you write down, as I said, if you write down the structure, half things are solved. But you know what happened is you saw only one thing. Your brain is reading only one thing: amide and amine. Immediately, the question that you practiced most with the conversion of amide to amine is Hofmann-bromamide reaction.
Yes.
So, immediately you will have a tendency to pick that reagent. Like most of the people have done here.
Yes.
So please write down the structure and see.
Yeah,
because this is-
many option came as B.
Yes.
Okay. See, many people send the option as B, which means this is what sir said. No, that Hofmann's people directly jumped into
Yes.
that. This one, Hofmann's bromamide reaction. But you keep in mind, 2-phenyl.
Yeah, here propanamide has already 3 carbons.
Yeah.
And propanamine is also having 3 carbons. You know that if you use Hofmann bromamide, it's a degradation reaction. There will be 1 carbon less in the amide.
Yeah. In this particular question, carbon number did not reduce.
Yes.
Okay. This is not a degradation reaction. Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's what.
it's a direct reduction of amide into
Yeah.
amine.
So wherever they are asking, see, you can write like this one. See, 2-phenyl means it is CH3, then CH, okay, then 2-phenyl propanamine. So NH2. Okay. So propanamide 2, the same one. Then you can use lithium aluminium
Yes.
hydride.
One of the
Lithium
best
aluminium
reducing
hydride,
agent.
the best reagent for amide to corresponding amine. Keep in mind. So the carbon number did not reduce. The same only propanamide and propanamine. If it is carbon number reduced, then it's fine. See, now you understood, I think almost all got the idea.
Yeah. Lithium aluminium hydride is the strongest reducing agent that you can
Yes, that is the best reducing agent when amide converted to corresponding amine. Yeah, corresponding means the
CONH2.
same number is retaining. That
Yeah.
you keep in mind.
CONH2 will become CH2NH2.
NH2. Okay, this is a repeated question, but see, that is what we told you. See, many send the answer as B.
Yes.
Many people have sent it. It's fine, normal chance
Yeah.
is there. That's why we are
We wanted
reminding.
to highlight that.
Yeah.
That's the reason why we put this question.
Yeah, that is why all the MCQ discussion we put this type of question. I think, yeah, now it is okay, right? There is no doubt in the concept. Now everything is clear. Lithium aluminum hydride, when we use, you will be getting CH2NH2. That is
Yeah.
called the same thing, 2-phenyl, okay? Propanamine, correct only. Yeah, same number is retaining. Yes, okay, fine. So we will go to the next question. See, the next one is, read the question again carefully. Yeah.
They're asking
Yeah.
lithium aluminium hydride. Why ether though? Ether is the solvent there. Manisha.
Either is the non-polar solvent. Lithium aluminum hydride with the either non-polar solvent. It's whether they are giving a lithium aluminum hydride alone or with either same effect
Still
only.
the answer should be the same.
Yeah, same only. So it's fine. Yeah,
Right.
I think now they are giving. Okay.
Okay. So, we
So
can-
now the which reagent is required to one-step conversion of benzene diazonium chloride to bromobenzene? See, it's a name reaction. They're
Yes.
asked in a different way for an MCQ question. Read the question carefully.
very good,
Yes.
very good.
Yeah,
Everybody is
people are-
answering it.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Now people are sending. Yeah, because that's an important name reaction.
Yes.
Answer most like in many question paper like last 2-3 years if you're taking directly
only-
asking. Yeah, name
Yeah.
reaction. Now they are not giving such questions.
Yes. In conversions, they are asking.
Yeah. So almost all name reaction, they will give the question, but not direct one.
Yeah.
Conversion and all, it's based on name reaction, but they won't ask like previously and all. They will ask some question directly,
Yeah,
right?
describe the
A
following.
short note on
Yes.
Hofmann's bromamide, Gabriel thalamide. Now that type of question they are
Is
not
gone.
asking.
Now
yeah.
they are asking either complete the reaction.
Yeah.
like
that
that.
type of complete the reaction or conversion. You will get the same name reaction only. Okay.
Right. So it is Sandmeyer's reaction, like everybody has answered. See option C.
Almost all answered the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. So the reagent, see, benzene disonium chloride. You know that one, benzene disonium chloride. You have N2 plus Cl minus. You have two reactions, Cu2Br2. Okay, and you know that one, Cu2Cl2. If you use Cu2Br2, you will be getting bromobenzene. That is only they are asking. If it is Cu2Cl2, you will be getting chlorobenzene.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. So even cyanobenzene can also be prepared.
Yeah. Even we have also already instructed all the students to make a list of all the conversions related to benzene disonium chloride, because it is one of the best starting substance to synthesize many other chemicals.
Yeah. One question definitely they will ask from the conversion of benzene disonium chloride. No doubt. Okay. Yeah. I think almost all they gave the yes. Fine. Okay, we will go to the next one. So the correct option for this one is Cu2Br2. I think almost all send the option C. Okay, we will go to the next one. See, read the question. Which of the following compounds will not react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride?
Yeah, immediately they will identify benzene sulfonyl chloride is Hinsberg reagent.
Yeah, and so, sir, Hinsberg reagent question they asked in almost all paper, like which is like what is the name of Hinsberg reagent, or they will like give the question like identify formula they gave.
Yes, and also write the name of the compound formed when this thing reacts with
Hinsberg reagent when reacts with. Okay, that all you have to keep in mind. Definitely one question, because Hinsberg reagent is important because it can be used for identifying primary, secondary as well as tertiary amines. So that is why it's an important one. Hinsberg reagent name, formula and identification, everything is important. Okay, benzene sulfonyl chloride, formulas C6H5SO2Cl, everything is important. So that
they
reaction,
have answered it.
I think almost all they gave the correct one. Tertiary amines.
A is tertiary amine, B is primary, C is secondary, and D is aromatic primary amine.
Yeah. So correct answer is
A.
Okay, fine, good.
Tertiary.
Almost all they send the correct one. Okay, then we will go to the next one, sir. Okay, fine. See, assertion reason question again. This is from the see, it's comparatively a standard one question, sir.
Yeah.
Only a small amount of HCl is required in the reduction of nitro compounds into iron scrap and HCl in the presence of steam. That you know that one, nitro compound RNO2. You know that one. SN/HCl is there and Fe/HCl. These are the two reactions. Then you will get corresponding amine.
Yes.
This one you learned, reduction of nitro compound. Very important in the preparation of amines. We learned this one.
Yeah.
So we have
even there is a sentence directly written in the NCERT textbook. Iron with HCl is the best reducing agent for reduction. And that question they keep asking in assertion reason and also justify the following kind of questions.
Among these two, SN/HCl and Fe/HCl, Fe/HCl is the best one.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the reason that you should keep in mind? People are sending, I think the
everybody is saying the correct
idea. Yeah, okay. So only a small amount of HCl is, that is a correct statement. Okay, assertion is now all are sending yes. Okay. Then what is the reason statement? Reason statement they are telling FeCl2 formed gets hydrolyzed to release HCl during the reaction. Yeah, that is the reason why this is a cheap one.
Yeah, because more and more HCl will come from the hydrolysis of FeCl2.
Again, that FeCl2 intermediate formed, when once hydrolyzed, you will get HCl again. So you can reuse that one. So that is the benefit of Fe/HCl if you are taking as a reducing agent.
Yeah.
So I think almost all they gave the correct one. Yeah. Nowadays people are expecting these areas and the question and all. Yeah. Fine. Good. Well done. Okay. So we will go to the next one. The correct answer for this one is A. Both the statements are correct and the A reason is the correct explanation.
Sir, one more student is asking.
Yeah.
So again, this Fe plus HCl is the best reducing agent for nitro conversion into amine, because in Fe plus HCl, the byproduct formed is FeCl2, and that FeCl2 will get hydrolyzed so that more and more HCl starts coming.
Yeah, that is FeCl2 when reacts with H2O. Okay. FeCl2 plus FeCl2 will come as this FeCl2 plus H2O will come. FeCl2 plus H2O will be FeOH twice. Okay, plus HCl will come again. See, this is the reaction. If you have doubt.
Now it's clear.
Yeah, now it is clear, right? FeCl2 plus H2O, you will get FeOH twice plus HCl.
So in the beginning, you don't have to take that much amount of HCl as how you do it with Sn plus HCl.
Less quantity because it can be recycled. We can say like that one. HCl will be again you can be reused, that one. So that is the best one, economically benefited one. Okay. So we will go to the next one. Now in the next question, in the reaction C6H5NH2 plus CHCl3 plus 3 KOH gives See, by seeing the reactant itself,
Yes.
you will get the idea that which reaction they are asking. And this is again an important reaction.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
other
it's-
than Hofmann's bromamide, a very important reaction. Okay, probably
Yeah,
probably
everybody
they
is
will ask.
saying the answer.
Yeah, now they are giving.
Option
Yeah.
A. Right. So this is carbylamine reaction, and you are going to get isocyanide as the major
Yes,
product.
C6H5NH2. Yeah. See, C6H5NH2 when reacts with the CHCl3 and 3KOH, then you
Yeah.
know that one the reaction will take place like this one. C6H5NC. Okay, plus
isocyanide.
KCl plus H2 byproduct. So A, B, and C they are telling. So no need to write all those things. They are
only
asking
they are
about
asking A.
A. But whenever you learn the name reaction, byproducts are important. Okay,
Yes.
especially for Hofmann's bromamide and carbylamine reaction and all. While learning, you should learn the byproduct as well. Okay, other than conversions.
Right.
Okay. So the correct answer is isocyanide anyway. So it's an easy one. Okay,
Yeah.
isocyanide will be formed. I think almost all
Yeah,
the
everybody has answered
Okay,
it.
fine, good,
Right.
good. So we'll go to the next one. Next one is assertion reason. Again, the question is NH2 group is orthopara directing in electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline. You know that one aniline when reacts with the bromine water or any other electrophile. You know that one all the ortho and para site
be
will be
substituted.
active. Yeah. So you
Because NH2 is a highly activating group, and that's why we get all the ortho and para positions occupied by the electrophile. So assertion is correct. And
the reason statement is aniline cannot undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. That's
Yeah.
a very, very repeated one, and you know that
Yes.
one. Yeah, it's a statement. You know
it's a statement which is correct, but it is
Yeah.
nothing related to the assertion.
exactly.
so
So
it
it
is-
is not the correct explanation. Statements are
They have
I
all
think-
identified.
yeah, correct. Well done.
Okay.
And you know the reason for this one, right? Why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? That is the quite easy one. Aniline is a basic one, and the Friedel-Crafts reagent AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. Okay,
Yeah.
so they will form salt. That is the reason why. Okay, fine, it's correct. So the statement both the A and are true, but not the correct explanation. We will go to the next one. See, propanamide on reaction with the bromine in aqueous NaOH gives. Again,
This time they won't make a mistake.
yeah. Now you read the question very carefully because already we gave a question and we told you like there is a chance to make error. So now you read the question. Propanamide on reaction with the bromine in aqueous NaOH.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Many are answering it, and
Yeah.
it's correct answer.
Yeah. Okay. Well done. Now it's fine.
Excellent.
Yeah. This is the way.
So this is Hofmann bromamide reaction. So CH3 CH2 CONH2 will become CH3 CH2 NH2.
Yeah.
And
So
that is
the reaction is correct over here. Okay. CH3 CH2 CONH2 propanamide. Okay. When reacts with Br2 and NaOH. So you know that one the CO will be removed. So you'll be getting CH3 CH2 NH2 will be coming. Okay. Fine.
which is ethanamine.
Yeah. So,
it is
correct
option
answer
B.
is option B, ethanamine. Hope you all got the same answer. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Shall we go to the next
Yeah,
one, sir?
we can go to the
Yes. Okay. See again, assertion reason type question. Read the question carefully. Here it is. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Again, a repeated one. Okay,
Yes.
read the question. And the recent statement in Gabriel thalamide synthesis, alkyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution with anion formed by thalamide. Read the recent statement very carefully. Okay, and check whether it give the correct explanation for the assertion statement or not. Yes, yeah, people are sending. Okay,
Yeah, now,
fine. Yeah,
now answers are coming.
yeah. Okay, you can send the. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Do fast. Yeah. Send. Yeah. Now I think they are giving the correct answer, except a few. Yeah. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. See.
So,
Yeah.
aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by Gabriel thalamide. That is true, because in Gabriel thalamide, if you want to prepare an aromatic primary amine, you have to take an aryl halide, and aryl halides does not undergo nucleophilic substitution.
Yeah, so that statement is correct, but
Yeah.
the recent statement you read in Gabriel thalamide synthesis, alkyl halide undergo electrophilic substitution with anion formed by thalamide. That statement is correct, but
Yeah.
that is not the correct explanation why they do not give aromatic primary amine.
Yes.
Why they do not give aromatic primary amine? Because aryl, as sir said, aryl halide. Okay, cannot participate in nucleophilic substitution reaction, because in Gabriel thalamide synthesis, the second step is a nucleophilic substitution.
Yes.
In that step, aryl halides or haloarenes cannot participate. So we will go for B. Yeah, I think almost all gave the correct answer, no sir? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we will go to the next question. Next question is, which of the following will be most stable diazonium salt? You know that one? Okay, aliphatic diazonium salt is there and aromatic,
Yes.
which means benzene diazonium salt is there.
So aliphatic is highly unstable and it will form alcohol immediately.
Yes.
And aromatic, since because of the resonance of the benzene ring, it is fairly stable.
Yes. So aromatic benzene diazonium salt or diazonium chloride is stable due to resonance. But at the same time, aliphatic, there is no resonance, so they are unstable. Immediately dissociate in aqueous solution to form corresponding alcohol. That you
Yes.
keep in mind. I think they are giving the correct
all
answer.
of them are giving correct answer.
So right answer for this one, you know that one, that is B.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
B.
is the only aromatic.
Yeah, that is the only
diazonium
aromatic one. Remaining all are aliphatic. Okay. Even the option D is also aliphatic, not
Yeah.
aromatic. Don't get confused. Okay. So the right one. Yeah, I think almost. So we will go to the next one, sir.
Yeah.
The next one is, see, the conversion type. This type of one question you can easily expect. Read. See, C2H5NH2 when reacts with NaNO2 and HCl. Keep in mind, this is an aliphatic amine.
Yeah.
Aliphatic amines with NaNO2 and HCl, you will get an unstable
Diazonium salt.
diazonium salt.
And that will immediately become alcohol.
Yes, that will convert it as alcohol. I think people are, yeah. So here you will be getting, I'll write over here. Okay,
Yeah.
so the compound will be, X will be CH, yeah, you can
C2H5.
write, yeah, C2H5OH will come.
That will be
Okay.
X.
Yeah, that is the X one. That
Yeah.
when reacts with the P/Br2, phosphorus in presence or at
So it
phosphorus
is
and Br2.
halogenation.
So you will be getting C2H5Br.
Br. And then we are adding ammonia in excess.
Yeah.
This is Hoffman's ammonolysis.
Yes, it is Hofmann's ammonolysis. Then you know that one Br will be substituted by NH2.
NH.
So C2H5, NH2
NH.
you will be getting. Okay, the starting compound only it will be formed. Yeah, I think people
Yeah.
are sending the right answer. So,
you
not
get-
amide,
It's not amide.
not
It's
amide.
ethanamine.
Ah.
Ethanamine.
Ammonia and heat with the carboxylic acid only amide will come.
Yes, yes.
Okay, if it is a carboxylic acid and heating with ammonia only amide. Okay, don't get confused.
And
Okay.
also in the last step, when you treat a halide with ammonia in excess, you get a primary amine.
Yeah.
But if you take the halide in excess, you get mixture of different types of amines.
Yeah. And here mixture will come, but in the option there is no secondary and
Yes.
tertiary amine. That is why we are going for the option D. Okay,
Yeah,
ethanamine.
ethanamine.
As you said, you know that one. Okay, excess ammonia means step by step change will come. Primary, secondary, tertiary, and even quaternary also will come
Yeah.
in Hofmann's ammonolysis. But in the option there is no secondary, there is no primary. There is no tertiary and all. Only primary amine is given, which means ethanamine. Okay, major compound. Okay. Fine, we will go to the next one.
Yeah.
See, which of the following is the strongest base? And here also, sir, we can say that one question.
One question from amines basicity and one question from acidity of phenols.
Yes,
This is guaranteed.
That is guarantee. Yeah.
Yeah.
So basicity of amines, definitely one question will come in gas phase and aqueous. Definitely you should remember the order. Okay. One question. Here it's MCQ only, but that order you have to keep in mind for gas phase as well as for aqueous. Which of the following is the strongest base? You know that one, every aromatic amines are even
Basic.
less basic than ammonia.
Yes.
Okay.
Because in aromatic amines, the lone pair of nitrogen is directly connected to the benzene ring. So it is not
Yeah.
readily available for donation, right?
Yeah, and here sir only one aliphatic is given. Remaining all are aromatic.
Yeah.
NH2 and nitrogen is when directly attached to ring, they are aromatic. So first one is aromatic, second is aromatic, even third one is also aromatic. But the aliphatic one is given. Okay, don't get confused that D is not aromatic, it is aliphatic. CH2 NH2 comes. I think almost
Yeah.
they gave the answer, no sir?
Yeah, everybody is
So
saying
correct answer is D. Okay. The most basic one is, they are asking the strongest base means the most basic. Most basic is yes, D only. Yes, fine. We will go to the next one. Question number, next question. Aniline in a
Sir,
setup.
one
Yeah.
second.
Okay.
They're asking what about C? See, C is also an aromatic amine,
Yeah.
but there is an electron releasing group here, so it will be more basic than aniline.
Yeah, they have a confusion that CH3 will increase.
Yeah.
CH3 will increase the basicity, okay, we agree. But see, keep in mind that is also an aromatic, but you have an aliphatic. What is the order? So we can write like this one, sir, for easy understanding.
Yeah.
Aliphatic greater than ammonia, which means aliphatic
Yeah.
amines, okay, greater than ammonia, greater than aromatic amines.
Aromatic
Okay,
amines.
this one. So the category you keep in mind. So we have aliphatic means we have to choose the aliphatic first.
Yes.
Okay, remaining all are aromatic. That is
Yeah.
what the explanation we gave. Okay, remaining all are aromatic, no doubt.
And even in aromatic, remember that electron releasing group will increase the basicity and electron withdrawing group will decrease the basicity.
Yeah, among this one, if they are asking A and C, definitely it will be C, no
Yes,
doubt.
yes.
CH3 group will increase. Okay, fine. We will go to the next one. See, aniline in a set of reactions yielded a product D. So, you know that one, now you can go easily because aniline, when undergo diazotization, Option A will be a diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus.
And then we are treating it with copper cyanide.
CuCN.
So cyanide will replace
Yeah,
the
so
N2.
you will be getting a cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. After that, it will be H2 and Ni.
So that is reduction. So it will
Yes.
get reduced to CH2 NH2.
CH2 NH2, that is benzyl amine, you will be getting CH2 NH2. Correct?
Yeah.
Not
And-
over.
And then it is treated with HNO2 again.
Yeah.
That means
See, keep in
another
mind, this is an
diazotization.
aliphatic one. So aliphatic amine, primary amine, when undergo reaction with HNO2, which means diazotization. Diazotization means that benzene ring with the CH2OH will come. Keep in mind that is benzyl alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll be getting benzyl alcohol. It's comparatively a good conversion, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
It's a very
because
good
they-
question.
Yeah, comparatively a standard one, because people are sending in. So yeah, correct one is okay. C6 H5 CH2OH. Yes, correct. Benzyl alcohol only you'll be getting. Well done, well done.
I think we can start the quiz.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, I think almost One more question we will do, sir. After that, we will go for the Menti quiz. Okay. Yes. Okay. The last question. Keep in mind over here. Okay. Fine. See the correct IUPAC name of cisplatin is. Okay. We can start
it's a very
after this.
important drug, pharmacological drug used
yeah.
for treatment of cancer.
Yes. See this question also. See, IUPAC name of cisplatin. Cisplatin means that one. The formula is PT NH3 twice Cl2. That is the compound. Okay.
Yes.
Now you will get easily. Yes. I think people are sending. Okay. But don't get confused with the valency.
Yeah.
Means
The oxidation state.
Oxidation state means NH3 is 0. Okay. Neutral 1 and Cl2 is minus 2,
Minus
2,
two.
which
And
means
the whole
this will be
complex
plus
has no charge.
Yeah,
So it should
no
be
charge.
+2.
Yes. Okay, I think you got the answer. Yeah. So correct answer is diamine, dichlorido, platinum. Second option is A. I think almost all sent. Okay, fine. Someone put B, but keep in mind this is not 4. Yeah, people will have keep in sir. They have a confusion that 4 is platinum whenever
platinum
comes.
general oxidation state.
General oxidation state of platinum is stable in +4 and all you learned.
Yeah.
Here it is NH3 is neutral and Cl2. There is no charge on the coordination sphere. Okay, fine. Okay, correct answer is this one A. Diamine, dichlorido, platinum is second. Okay, fine.
So I
Okay,
think-
guys. So now we are going for that Menti quiz. We have again seen the 10 questions. Okay, so the time will be, sir. You can tell. See, the time will be very less. Read the question very carefully.
Okay.
Okay, we will go to this one. Okay, now you can scan the QR in your device. You can scan the QR in your device. Yeah, you can join now.
Those who are not able to scan, please go to this link.
Yes, now people are coming. Okay, good. Okay, yes. All of you, please join. Hurry up. Join fast. Yes. Yes.
Come on, please join fast. Almost 30 players are ready.
Okay. Yes, come on. Join. Once cross 50 number, we will start.
Yeah.
Okay. I think now,
Yeah, it's
51.
almost 50.
Okay. Fine, you can join. It's fine.
Shall we
50.
start, guys?
Okay. I think almost all join. Now we can start, sir. Okay, fine. So you read the question in your device. Okay, look at your device and read the question. Okay, now the question game. Look at your device. Yeah, the time starts now. Okay, read the question. Which of the following compounds cannot be identified by carbylamine test? Okay.
The code is on the top. It is on the screen. You can see.
Yeah,
it is
if
on
you
the top.
cannot scan the QR, then you can go with that code. I think the time. Yeah. Yes. Time up. Okay.
So let's see how many of them have answered clearly.
Yeah, I think
majority
correct answer.
of-
Yeah, majority. See,
can't
which
see
of the
which-
following compounds cannot be identified by carbylamine? So carbylamine means only primary amine will give the test. Okay, aromatic and aliphatic.
Yes.
Yeah. So the right answer for this one is which one?
Yeah. Option D is the only secondary amine. Rest
Yeah.
all of them are primary
You should read it.
amines.
Cannot. Okay, that you should read perfectly. Cannot. Only like remaining all are primary. Only one is a secondary one. Okay, yeah, that's why people went wrong while reading the question. It cannot be identified. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Fine. Yes, here is the second question. Here is the second question. Read the question carefully. Look at your device and read. Okay, structure of product X in the following reaction. I think a comparatively a good question, sir. Yeah, so
you have 30 seconds there.
Yeah.
Remember, the one who answers fast will get bonus points.
Yes, okay.
So 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3,
Yes.
2,
1. Yes, fine.
So that's the
time
time.
up. Okay. Now I think now the making people, those who are making mistake is reduced, sir. Like correct answer is A. Okay. Yeah, correct one. So NO3. Yeah, fine.
So it's a very straightforward question. We are adding NaNO2 and HCl. So wherever NH2 group is there, that will become disonium salt, and then you are adding H3PO2 water. So
that
it will
group
remove
will
it.
be removed. Okay, so correct option. Okay, fine. We will go to the next one. Okay,
Yes.
question number 3. See, here is the third question. Okay, see the third one. When para-toluidine, keep in mind para-toluidine, okay, reacts with the chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then the product is para-toluidine. Read the question carefully. You know, alcoholic KOH and chloroform is the reagent for which reaction? Okay, then it is easy. Yes, yeah.
In our discussion, we have done a similar question.
Yeah, same type of question was there. Your time is running. Yeah, the last 3. Yeah, 2, 1. Okay,
Yes, time up.
Okay, we will go to the answer. Check. See, yeah,
This time,
I think
very
still
few have made mistake.
But still 11 are there.
Yes.
Well, it's okay, fine. 42 gave the correct answer. Option is B, right? Yeah, NC will come. Okay.
It is
NC,
carbylamine reaction.
Yeah, it's carbylamine reaction. Okay, fine. Okay, we will go to the next one. Shall we move, sir?
Yes.
Okay. See the next one. Again, here is the fourth question. Here is the fourth one. Yeah, question game. What is the IUPAC name of the following compound? Okay, read. It's a tertiary amine, so should not make mistake. Longest chain and all you keep in mind and count. Yes.
So that's
time
up.
Yes. Okay, let's see the answer. Yeah, see, I think very few. It's fine.
Very few have made
47.
mistake.
Yeah, 47 gave the right answer. You know that one here, the longest chain is with having 4 carbon, right?
So it is
that is
butanamine.
yes, butanamine will be N and diethyl. Okay, there is no confusion that one. We will go to the fifth one. Okay, yes, question number 5. See, here is the fifth question. Read the question carefully. Yes, question. Which alkyl halide from the given option will undergo SN1 reaction faster? Read, it is SN1.
So remember, it is the stability of the carbocation.
Yes, read the question carefully. They are asking SN1 reaction, which one will undergo? So stability of carbocation means which one will give the most stable carbocation. By looking at the compound itself, you will get the idea. Okay, yes, the last, time up. Yeah, I think very good. 50.
Almost 50 people have made it
50
correct.
People gave the correct answer.
Very good. It's a tertiary halide which you have to select. So option A.
Most stable carbocation will be the tertiary carbocation. Anyway, here the benzylic is not there. So correct answer is option A. So shall we go to the next one? The sixth question is here.
I think till now this is the leaderboard. So 466 points
after 5 questions.
Arcane. Arcane. I think it's not the real name. Then Vijay is there. Shakti
is there. Yes. And one more, VJ is there and Krudul is there.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Michelle is there. Okay. Zainab, Prasanna. Okay, good. Yeah, so many people are there. Shruti, okay. Padma, so many are there. Okay, fine. Anyway,
so
good.
Let's see after 5 more questions.
Yeah,
who will
5
be
more
on the
questions.
top.
Yeah, who will be on the top list? Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Here is the 6th question. Yeah, question. Which of the following belongs to the class of vinyl? Yeah, that's we told. one question, vinyl halide. Now you will have idea because already we gave all the class of compound. Which one is the vinyl?
You can pick easily. Already we explained different types of halides.
Yes.
How to identify them.
Yes. The last. Okay. Time
Yes.
up. Okay. Let us check the answer. I think
Still few have made mistake. This
mistake.
is very serious. You need to look into
I think
this.
some of the area you have to brush up the things at the final moment.
Vinyl means it should be halogen attached to sp2 hybridized carbon.
Yeah, that
so
is
in
means
option B.
Yeah, halogen directly attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon. That is vinyl. Okay, should not make mistake. Okay, fine. Anyway, 39 people gave the right answer. We will go to the next question. This is the seventh one. Here is the seventh question. Read the question carefully. Seventh one. Both geometrical and optical isomerism are shown by. Okay. Yes, 30 seconds. Its time is running. Both geometrical and optical isomerism. Read the question carefully. Not only optical, geometrical as well. Okay. Geometrical means it should be a heteroleptic complex. Okay. So
So
the last 3 seconds. Now the time up. Okay. Now we will go for the answer. See, I think here it's fine.
most of them have
Most
made
of
it
them.
correct.
Yeah. See, correct answer is that one A1 because it's a heteroleptic complex as well as bidentate ligand is there. So both optical and geometrical will
Yeah,
come.
it will have
Okay.
cis and trans and also
Yes.
optical.
Now we will go to the next question. The
Eighth
eighth
question.
one. Here is the eighth question. The increasing order of crystal field splitting strength, which means that the strength of the ligand. Okay, which is the strongest ligand. That order you should remember anyway. This one
This
also
is a
they asked.
very, very important question as well.
Yeah.
Let's see how many of you will make it correct.
Order of ligands, that one which is the strongest and weakest. If you are checking that one itself, you will get the answer. Like
Yes, yes.
only with the two option you can spend some time.
And
Remaining
based
all
on this, sir, they are asking about the wavelength absorption pattern.
that
and all.
also they are asking. Yes. So time up. Let's check the correct answer. Correct
Yeah,
answer is C.
43.
Almost. Yeah, fine. Few people are there, but still correct answer is C. Yeah, because CO is the strongest
Yes,
and Cl
C.
minus is the which one? Okay. Fine.
So
Anyway, D and A there is no chance
No
of
chance,
confusion.
water is
Only
there.
B and. But here that one Cl minus F minus will come because NS3 gave over here. That is why an H2O came over here. So correct answer is C. Because H2O is a comparatively a weak ligand. Okay, so
Yeah,
this will
basically carbon and nitrogen containing donor atoms are more stronger ligands.
Yes. So we will go to the
Ninth question.
ninth question. The second last question is here. Read the question. Yeah. What will be the correct order of absorption of wavelength of light in the visible region from the complex CONS3 6 times 3 plus, COCN 6 times 3 minus, and COH2O 6 times 3 plus? Okay.
We can expect this one question this year based on this.
Exactly, sir. Yeah. So that wavelength and energy
Yes.
is inversely proportional. So based on that one, you have to use this question. Like you have to read the question carefully. Which one has the strongest ligand? Which will have the highest energy?
Yes.
So I think time up. Sir, we can check the. See.
There is a big gap.
Yeah, big gap. See, 24 and 24. Right answer is C. Option is C. 24 people opted C, but at the same time, 24 people opted option A.
So remember, stronger the ligand is, greater will be the crystal field splitting. That means the energy is very high. So the wavelength absorption will be inversely proportional to that.
Okay, so right answer is C only because C means that one here H2O 6 times is the weakest ligand, maximum energy absorption.
Yes.
Okay, then after that NH3 will come and CN is the strongest ligand will absorb less energy because energy and wavelength are inversely proportional. Okay, the last question, sir. Yes, the very last question.
Yes,
Read the
10th
question.
question.
Yeah, there. Now the question.
Most
Basic amine among the following is. Okay, you have 30 seconds. Read the question carefully.
This also we already gave you a hint.
Yeah, idea we gave already. So read the question. Okay. Here all are aromatic. So you have to check the electron donating and withdrawing group. That only you need to check. Okay. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. So yeah, 39 people, but still people are there. Okay,
Making
C.
mis-
Right answer is C, because you know that one electron donating group
yeah.
is only CH3. F
All
is
of-
electron withdrawing, NO2 is electron withdrawing, NO2 is electron withdrawing. What is the
Yes.
confusion in this? Electron withdrawing will increase acidity. Okay, electron donating will increase the basicity.
Basicity.
So here, correct answer is C only.
So
Anyway,
I think we can check the
yeah,
leaderboard.
the score we can.
Who is on the top?
Yeah. Now the same person is like
Yes,
maintaining the same position. Yeah, good, well done. Yeah, okay, congrats. So well done. Anyway, yeah, Hridul came to the third place, and Vijay is in the second place, and Shruti is there in the fourth place. It's fine. Okay,
Yogasri is there.
yeah, Yogasri is there, and Neha is there, Zainab is there, Eldo is there, NN. Okay, Prasanna is there in the 10th position. Anyway, good, well done. Okay, yeah. See, what all question you went wrong, and if there is any confusion in the concept what and all, that you make it clear today itself. Right,
Yes,
no,
yes.
sir? Yeah.
All the theory, all the conceptual clarity should be done today itself. Whatever questions you made wrong, whatever mistakes you did, everything should be corrected today. And tomorrow we will have aldehydes, ketones, then alcohols and biomolecules.
Yeah.
So stay tuned
Yeah.
and
See you
keep
tomorrow,
revising.
and yeah, use each and every second. Okay, and only few days are there that you use effectively. Will get a good score. Okay.
If any mistakes that you find you need more explanation, please connect with the teachers and
Yeah.
get it clarified.
Oh.
Okay, guys. So thank you all for participating in
Yeah.
this session.
Thank you for your active participation. Thank you so much. See you on tomorrow.
Keep
Bye.
revising. Bye.
Hi everyone.
Welcome to amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.